I was looking at CSV files. I was just comparing some headers, basically what came out of the system versus what I was expecting to come out of the system. So in this case, I've just set up some buffers called expected and actual with ABC, ABC, D, E, F, G, okay? And these are identical. So what's the next step? Well, for me, the next step was I use the evaluation tool, because the evaluation tool, even though the one-liner says it's for mathematical operations, the Tricentis support.com says you can also use it to compare months. For example, current month is equal to March or May. So that means it works with strings. It doesn't. If you run TBox evaluation, what do you think is going to happen here? I'll go on. I'll give you a second. Think about it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got your answer? Yes, no? High level. Fails. Missing end of file at comma at line 1:1. That's a slice, okay? If you do any Python programming, which means it's failing at the first comma. That does not work. I've tried at least 10 different combinations with a colleague of mine as well, and he has like 5 years experience, and he couldn't do it either. This is how you do it. You use set buffer. By the way, I'd normally rename these things, but I find it very instructive to leave the name of the module in place when somebody's actually learning Tosca. So when you do TBox set buffer, this is your buffer. That's expected, okay? We're referring to expected here. And now you're gonna compare it to actual. So let's run that. There you go. Works